Hello everyone! Welcome back again to my channel. By the way, for those who are new here, I am Mentor Choba, a political science instructor, and I'm also teaching some of the social science subjects like Contemporary World, Readings in Philippine History, Life and Works, and Jose Rizal. And my task here is to help students to understand further the lessons that they miss from their class. Alright, so without further ado, let's start. We have already discussed the meaning of research, the importance of research, and also the 5 tips on how to become or how to improve your research skills. So now we will be discussing the types of research. So in this tutorial, I will be providing or giving you 19 types of research. So maraming types of research na pwede nating gawin. Alright, so number 1 here is the fundamental research. Number 2, the applied research. 3, action research. 4, causal research. 5th, classification research. 6, comparative research. 7, cross-sectional research. 8, deductive research. 9, exploratory research. 10, field research. 11, fixed research. 12, inductive research. 14, laboratory research. 15, longitudinal research. Number 16, mixed research. Number 17, policy research. 18, qualitative research. And 19 is the quantitative research. So these are the 19 types of research. And if you are still interested to learn about these 19 types of research, we will be discussing it in the next few days. Abangan nyo lang sa mga next na upload ko. Pag-uusapan natin, isa-isahin natin itong types ng research. Alright, so I hope that I was able to help you again. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to like this video today and subscribe to my YouTube channel in order for you to get updated on all my video uploads every week. Alright, so goodbye everyone!